What a great crowd!
Nothing like a game of power control to get the circuits in overdrive.
Multiple control boards. Multiple opportunities to come out on top.
The action today is sponsored by the new documentary, The Memory Alderman. Take note, stand-up comics. It will always be too soon.
I hope you're not afraid of loud noises. Feel free to try again later. I sense your frustration. You cannot hide from me. Your defeat was the work of art.
Reinforcements have arrived.
Watch your step. I feel your pain. This one is mine. Be proud. You made me work for it.
There's always more where that came from.
I hope you like explosions. I sense your frustration.
I'm locked in.
Ah, delicious.
This is gonna hurt!
No one can hide from me.
Mudhorns are the victors!
No win for the Gun Guards today.